Welcome to Penn State's Living Off-Campus website. This site is designed to help Penn State students, faculty, and staff explore off-campus housing options and resources in the State College area and surrounding communities. The Penn State Living Off-Campus website was created in partnership with Off-Campus Partners and Apartments.com to provide members of the Penn State community with a centralized resource to search for housing, find roommates, post sublets, and access helpful off-campus living resources, all in one place. To get started, click Sign Up in the top navigation bar. Current Penn State students, faculty, and staff can register using their Penn State account to access housing search tools, roommate matching, and sublet features. Incoming students and other guests can also create a temporary guest account to explore available housing options. To search for housing, click Housing at the top of the page. You can browse available rental listings near Penn State and explore a variety of housing options that fit your budget, lifestyle, and housing preferences. Use filters and sorting tools to narrow your search by price, property type, bedrooms, location, and other housing criteria. These tools make it easier to compare listings and find housing that meets your needs. The interactive map helps you visualize available housing options around Penn State and the surrounding community. You can move the map and explore different neighborhoods while viewing nearby housing opportunities. Click on a map pin or listing placard to preview a property. Selecting a listing allows you to view full property details and learn more about each housing option before contacting the property. Listing detail pages may include photos, floor plans, pricing information, amenities, property descriptions, and additional information provided by the property owner or manager. If you're interested in a property, you can contact the property directly to learn more about availability and leasing opportunities. If you're looking for a roommate, you can create a roommate profile and connect with other members of the Penn State community who are also searching for off-campus housing. Fill out your roommate profile with details about yourself and your housing preferences to help identify compatible roommate matches. Browse roommate profiles and connect with other students looking for housing near Penn State. If you already have housing secured, you can post a sublet listing and connect it to your profile to help other Penn State students find available housing opportunities. Be sure to take advantage of the Resources section for educational resources available through Penn State, including housing fairs, tenant resources, and guidance from Student Legal Services. A little preparation can help you make a more informed housing decision and set yourself up for a successful off-campus experience. If you have questions or need assistance, visit the Help Center from the website navigation menu. You can also use the support resources available on the site for help with your housing search, roommate matching, or account questions. Whether you're moving off-campus for the first time or looking for your next home near Penn State, remember that you have options. Take your time, research your choices, and select the housing option that best supports your Penn State experience.